Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ntui. On this channel I make sewing tutorials. I post new videos on Wednesdays and on Saturdays. I've been a bit unstable recently, but it will get better, I promise. I'm making this video because sometimes I see comments where people say turn off the subtitles is blocking what you are drafting. But what you guys, I'm making this video so you understand that I personally don't have the time to make subtitles for every single video that I make, and it's something very small that has been blocking you. Just one click, okay, and I'll show you how to solve that in this video. So this is an example of what I'm talking about. You see the black text at the bottom of the clip I'm about to show you now. Straight line down. So to help myself, I'm going to continue doing this 26, make a mark all the way down to the end of my poncho. So that black text that you've seen at the bottom, that's the subtitle. I'm going to show you how to take it out in one simple, easy step. Alright, so let's say you are on my channel and you click on a video. So already you can see that over this place here it says music. Alright, so you can see these black subtitles that we have here. This is the issue that I'm talking about. That's this one over here. So to turn them off, because if we go later on into the video and let's say I'm drafting, you can see sometimes I think this is what blocks your view. So to simply turn off the subtitle, what you are going to do is you are going to come over, you tap on the screen, you will see a place here that says CC. This CC means closed caption. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on your screen, click on this CC, and if you see that when I clicked on the CC, it says subtitle/CC turned off. Okay, and as you can see, it's not there anymore. But if I click on it again, turned on, you can see it has generated the subtitles. Now this is useful for a wide range of purposes. Now let's say the person watching the video has a hearing impairment. This is going to make sure that even if the person cannot hear, the person can read what I'm saying and still get the class. Okay, and also it's useful for if the person speaks a different language. Let's say you speak, because people watch me from all over the globe. So if you are in like maybe Russia, or if you are in Vietnam or somewhere, you can simply turn on the closed caption so that you can read what I'm saying in your native language. Okay, so that is it. When you play, I'll show that here. There's something that I did. Okay, click here. Okay, once you click on that CC, it's going to turn it off. You click on the CC again if you want it, and it turns it back on. Alright, so you see, that was it. Nice, easy, and simple. So I hope that with this is going to make your experience better, because I don't want you to feel that I'm always putting subtitles and then you stop watching because the subtitles you can't see because of the subtitles. So I hope that this makes your experience better, at least for those people that did not know how to take off the closed captions before now. All right, so that is it. Do have a lovely day. I will see you in the next video. And I forgot to plug my online class at the beginning. If you are a beginner, or if you're a person that just want to brush up on your skill, I offer online classes. If you're interested, send a Telegram message to the number that I can see on the screen. All right, have a lovely day. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.